Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to compress PDF file without losing its quality using FreeSight in Chrome. It's very quick and easy. Just watch the video till the end. So let's open our Chrome. Go to the search bar, then type I love PDF. Then click the first one. So we are now in the home page. They have a lot to offer here. It's all about PDF. Just click the compressed PDF file. Then select PDF file. Then select a PDF file from your device. When you're done, just proceed. Then click Compress PDF. It will just take a second to complete and see the difference it made. Click Download Compressed PDF and after that, check it on the top right corner. So, to check that it doesn't change the quality, let's compare it to its original. So now, let's check the compressed version. And yeah, it's still clear and the quality is the same. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up and don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.